Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered about the Chinese version of Clash of Clans? It offers a distinct experience, often with unique events and a separate player base. Accessing it can seem tricky for players outside of China, but it's definitely achievable. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to start playing in 2025, no matter where you are. Get ready to explore a different side of your favorite strategy game. Before diving in, understand that the Chinese Clash of Clans runs independently. It's published by a different company, Supercell, and operates on separate servers, meaning your global account won't work there. You'll encounter unique events, different regulations, and a distinct player community. This separation is key to knowing why a special approach is needed to play. Getting the app is your first big step. For Android users, the easiest way is often through a well-known Chinese app store, such as Tencent My App or TapTap, making sure you download from a trusted source. If you're on iOS, you might need to temporarily change your Apple App Store region to mainland China. Just remember to always use official or highly reputable platforms to avoid any security risks. Once you have the app, the next hurdle is account creation. The Chinese version typically requires a local login, often through platforms like WeChat or QQ. You might even need a specific Game Center account for that region. Be aware that creating these accounts can sometimes involve a Chinese phone number for verification. While this can be a challenge, exploring different login options can help you get connected. Keeping your game updated is straightforward. Simply use the same Chinese app store you used for the initial download. Prepare to discover different community events, unique in-game offers, and a fresh metagame environment. Playing the Chinese version opens up a whole new world of Clash of Clans. Enjoy this exciting, distinct experience and connect with a new community of players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.